How do I learn? Why is it important to know how you learn? The biggest reason is so you can be effective with your methods of studying. If you're an auditory learner and you're studying with flashcards, that isn't going to be the most effective way for you to study. There are several websites that are free to take quizzes to help you figure out what type or what kind of learner you are. Once you know the type of learner, you're going to be able to isolate the things that will help you be most successful. Another reason that you want to be able to pinpoint learning types is so that you know how to recognize the needs of your students. If you're oblivious to various teaching and studying styles, then you aren't doing your students any service. You can end up with issues in the classroom, as well as classroom management, and ineffectively identifying issues that are physical over behavioral. From the Learning Disabilities of America website, it says discovering a child's special needs is often a confusing and painful process for parents. First of all, because learning difficulties can be subtle, multiple, and difficult to pinpoint. It can be hard for parents to know whether things are normal or not, especially with a first child, parents may not know when to expect vocalizing, playing with sounds, and learning to speak. It's also difficult to distinguish between a healthy, very active toddler and a hyperactive toddler with ADHD. What is the difference between the child who's a little clumsy, which will be outgrown, and a child having significant motor skills problems? What are the indications of children being off course in their ability to listen and follow directions? It may take some time for parents to recognize and articulate these concerns because the kids don't really know for the most part. So I think the biggest thing, not just knowing how to help yourself, but knowing how you learn and being familiar with the different learning types and methods is going to help you to be able to identify problems and issues within your students.